Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, today we are going to do page number 9. What will happen if there are no joints in our body? We have to think about it and answer accordingly. अगर हमारी बॉडी में जॉइंट्स नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा? If there are no joints in our body, we will not be able to move. हम मूव नहीं कर सकेंगे ना. So, are your bones alive? क्या हमारी बोन्स जो है वो जिंदा हैं? The bones that make up our skeleton are all alive. वो जिंदा हैं. Growing and changing all the time, क्योंकि वो हमारे साथ ग्रो हो रही होती हैं और चेंज हो रही होती है. इसका मतलब है वो हमारी साथ जिंदा हैं. The subjective type questions are on our notebooks. First of all, you have to draw your title page of the chapter. Chapter name is The Human Body. Then after that, you have to start your subjective type questions writing on the notebook. The question number 1 is, what are the main functions of the skeleton? Skeleton जो हमारा ढांचा है उसका मेन काम जो उसका काम है वो क्या है? Answer is on book page number 5. You have to first write unit number 1, the human body. Then question number 1, what are the main functions of skeleton? Answer is, main functions of skeleton are, then give the numbers, give strength and support to the body, frame the shape of the body, protect some very important and soft internal organs, and movement of the body. Question number 2 is, what is the joint? Which two types of joint have been discussed in this unit? Where is each of them found in the body? Write any one activity you can perform with the help of these joints. In question number 2, there are 3 to 4 points we have to define. The number 1 is, what is joint? And the answer is, joint is a place of a bone of a body where 2 or more bones meet with the help of tissues called ligament. Then question number 2 is types of joint. Which two types of joints are discussed in the unit? And the answer is ball and socket joint, hinge joint. And then we have to explain these two joints, where they are found. Some joints move in all directions are called ball and socket joint, such as joint in our shoulder, and one is in hip bone. The second one is hinge joint. Some joints move bone in one direction only, like knee and elbow are called hinge joint. And then we have to write one activity what we do with these two joints. So with the ball and socket joint, we hop on one leg, and hinge joint, throw a ball. These two are examples of these two joints. And question number 3 is, differentiate between voluntarily and involuntarily muscles and give an example of each. So, we have to differentiate between involuntarily and voluntarily muscles. First of all, draw a margin line. Between that, draw a line, make a column, involuntarily and voluntarily, and write here differences. Involuntarily perform job without thinking, and voluntarily move when we want. Involuntarily do work automatically, and voluntarily we can control what they do. And now we have to write two examples of each. Involuntary muscles, example is cardiac muscles, and voluntary muscles, example is biceps and triceps. You can write these two examples in both of them. So now we have completed our page number 9 subjective type of chapter number 1. Allah Hafiz students.